It is high time that I've uploaded a new episode. What's popping, y'all? Welcome back to a new episode of JJShadic's cooking show. And with the toaster, you can see we're making one of the most famous meals that I've always been requested to make. Pop-tarts. Let's fucking go. Oh, wrong side. So I just realized I didn't have no space in my room for the toaster, so I'm putting it in the kitchen. What you gotta do is you plug in the toaster, and then you get the pop-tart. El pop-tart. Now, what you got to do now, right, is turn on the fucking lights, because there are none. And then you grab the pop-tart and fit it in. Put it inside. There. Like that. And with the power of editing, I can easily show you the correct way to cook Pop-Tarts. As you can see, I've taken them out of the wrappers and shit. So now what you gotta do is make sure the times are appropriate. And then you put them at 5 minutes each side. Boom, 5 minutes. And what you do now is you press this down. Now you wait 5 minutes. While you're at it, you go probably make yourself some tea and shit, because tea is really good for you. Did you know that tea has I don't know how many vitamins it has actually. Tea has X amount of vitamins. On the camera the light looks pink, like purplish, but in real life it looks red. But now that that's done, you take a little test and check if it's done. One more minute. Now, what you do after it's done and everything, you put it in your plate of choosing. I chose a styrofoam hefty plate because they're only used once and shit, so yeah. After that, you gotta let your toaster cool down, because okay, that actually hurted, because that's gonna burn everything that's inside. So yeah, and that right there is how you make Pop-Tart. There's no other way to make them. If you make them any other way, that's a crime against humanity. Anyways, guys, thanks for following. Watching my YouTube video, and subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoyed, and then follow me on every social media I have, or else I'm gonna come at you in your sleep, right? And I'm gonna do things that you don't want me to do, like play a game of baseball in your room.